Good evening students, again welcome back to my channel Ach'z. So today we are going to discuss about your evening slot review, that is today's Ielts test evening slot review 3rd March 2022. We already updated the complete review of morning slot along with the question type and the heading and all. So here we are going to discuss about the evening slot review. So first of all, the question papers were different in different centers. So we will discuss about both the task, both the question papers. Anyway, starting from listening module, part 1 was a telephonic conversation and it was about a job vacancy and they got fill up type of question and it was one word only. Part 2, it was a map completion and also MCQ type of questions they got, and audio was a talk from a guide. And regarding part 3, it was an academic discussion between students as usual. They got large MCQs and matching type of questions. And part 4 with fill up type of questions by hearing and monologue. Anyway, listening section went smoothly and it was easy. Like that only I got review from my students. Now regarding the reading module, so according to my students, the passage 1 was easy and it was about the growth of agriculture, and it got the questions like fill-ups and true false not given. Passage 2 was in moderate level. I didn't get the exact heading. They got the matching type of questions, MCQs and fill-up type of questions. And passage 3, it was related to music and they got yes no not given type of questions, fill-ups and matching type of questions again. Now moving on to the writing module, I think regarding the listening and reading there was no more changes. If you got a different passage in the sense, try to comment that below, because regarding the writing I already got the review from the students that they got different question papers in each centers and all. Okay, so overall the reading module we can say in moderate level only. Now regarding the task 1, in some centers it was pie charts, it was a simple pie chart, but in other center it was map, and the question of the map was the comparison between the site, the data between 1950 and also the present days. It was a combination chart, so you need to use different tenses, past tense and present tense. That was the question received in some centers. Then moving on to task 2, task 2 questions were also different in some centers. Anyway, in one center they got opinion based question, do you agree or disagree, related to children and video games and all. Here you can see the question, students should be completely free to choose whether to study or play games. They should be allowed to manage their own leisure time. So we already published this question in our prediction list, do you agree or disagree, like that only the question was. So here it is coming under one-sided opinion essay. Then moving on to this next question paper, that means in some other centers they got discussion with opinion type question, and the question was, some people say that rich people are more successful in the society and others believe that those who contributed to the society are more successful, like scientists and teachers. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So that's regarding today's review. Thank you.